Hello everyone, welcome to my another garden video. This section right here, I showed my previous video that when I was fertilizing this area for my vegetable. It's been a few weeks that I fertilized this area. So today is the day that we're gonna plant the vegetable. Today I bought some different types of vegetable plant like zucchini, different types of chilies, naga chili, some flowers, eggplant, cucumbers, like 2-3 types of cucumbers. So basically this area I'm going to plant the cucumbers, and on my right I'm going to plant eggplant. So this is my front yard. So I keep a little section right here in my front yard to plant eggplant and the cucumbers. So let's get started. So far I have planted cucumbers on my left. Now I'm going to jump on the other side. That's where I'm going to plant the eggplant. So I got like 4 different types of eggplant. So I got like more than 6 plant. I will plant some of those in the front yard and I will take some in the back yard. Here you can see 2 different types of eggplant. This is what I'm going to plant in here. Big and round shape. So basically this 3 eggplant I'm going to put it here. So total 4 eggplant and 3 cucumbers I have planted here in the front here. This is how it looks like right now. Now I'm going to move rest of the vegetable to my backyard and I'm going to spray some water over here. I bought this flower plant as well. I'm going to grow this one right next to my sidewalk at the front entrance. Here I'm at back of my building. This little section right here, I'm going to grow squash and zucchini. So I got like a one squash, which is like a closest look our desi style, and the right hand side there is another little spot. That's what I'm going to grow zucchini. Now I'm at another part of my backyard. I already planted some tomatoes. This little section I'm going to grow another few cucumbers and different types of chilies, as I bring already like 8 chili plant today. So I'm going to clean that weeds from here, then I'm going to plant. It is perfect day for the gardening today. I'm very fortunate that it's not too warm outside, so I was enjoying a lot. It's very refreshing. I was so happy to plant all the vegetable in the same day. So I will definitely give you a more update as soon as it's grow even bigger and start harvesting. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as well. Looking forward to see you soon with another video. Till then, stay safe.